How to watch music videos on Spotify. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can watch music videos on Spotify. Now this is a new feature, so before we begin, make sure that you guys have updated your Spotify to its latest version. Now let us begin. So the first step is opening up your Spotify. Open up your Spotify, and after you open up a Spotify, simply search for a song that you want to play. After you search for it, open it up. Now right above the title you should find an option called switch to video. Tap on switch to video and it should switch to video mode. So yeah, that is basically how you can watch music videos on Spotify. Now this might not work for all of the videos because this is a new feature and it might not have been enabled for all of the music available in Spotify. So only some music might have their videos uploaded on Spotify. So yeah, that is basically it. That is how you can watch music videos on Spotify. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.